In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report in Zoho Projects. Start by logging in to Zoho Projects and landing on your portal homepage. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct portal and viewing the top navigation. This is where you will find the reporting tools that help you understand progress, capacity, and where work is being spent across your projects. Next, look for the Reports option in the menu and click it. This opens the reporting area where Zoho Projects groups different report types together. Reports are designed to turn day-to-day activity like tasks and time entries into a clear view you can share with stakeholders or use internally to manage your team. In the Reports section, select Workload Report. The Workload Report is especially useful when you want to see how work is distributed, who is overloaded, and who has capacity. It helps you make staffing decisions based on real assignments rather than guesses. Once the Workload Report loads, find the Filter or Grouping option labeled Task Owner and click it. This view organizes the workload by the person responsible for tasks, so you can review assignments at an individual level. This is a good way to spot imbalance quickly, such as one person having too many tasks compared to others. After you click Task Owner, click the highlighted area in the report interface to open or focus the owner selection. Then from the list of available owners, click the specific account or user you want to report on. Choose the person whose workload you want to review, so the report reflects only their assigned tasks. From here, continue clicking through the highlighted areas shown in the report to apply and confirm your selection. As you do this, watch the report content update, since Zoho Projects will refresh the data based on the owner filter you selected. This final set of clicks ensures the report is focused on the correct person, and the results on screen match the view you intend to capture or share. And that is all there is to it.